in items and resell it back. Millions of dollars of tax exempt. Jamaicans. You know what I like we don't know? I don't know if it is because of the Jamaica Labour Party in power. But me not hear nobody talk about this. This a corruption at its biggest and the highest, you know. Me not hear nobody make no big noise about this. A People's National Party company uses the UWI tax exemption information to bring in millions of dollars of goods. And they resold back the goods to the hospital 10 times higher than what they buy it for. Even after them use the tax exempt number, forget it, duty free. I am not saying this. They had a PCA meeting and they had the people spoke on what happened. They had the people spoke on what happened, and I'm saying this to say, labor rights, unite, you know. You can't, this is not a politics talk. Go over somebody else. Don't need to forget me here and I listen to what I listen to. I listen to what I listen to. I am simply saying that it was revealed yesterday. I listened to it. I have the recording. And they stated, the director of procurement stated that they bought it and sold it back 3 times over what they bought it for. They use a tax exempt number with the signature of the UWI former director and current director and brought these items in, the PNP company. All 3 of them, nobody want to say. Corruption at its highest. And I'm saying that to say, I know the police do an investigation about it, but what I'm saying, Jackie, I don't hear enough people talking about this. I want to know, Jackie, how long have they been doing this? How many years have they been using the tax ID number of the hospital to bring in these goods and sell it back to the Jamaican people 10 times more? Because it's we the people who is buying it for 10 times right up. Because we are the taxpayers. When you use the taxpayers' tax exempt number to get it in the country duty free, millions of dollars duty free, and then you use it to sell it back to the people of Jamaica. How many years has this been going on for? That is my thing. And which other entity has been doing this? Which other entity is doing this? Is it just the UWI? Who else is doing it? And how long has it been happening for? The whole system needs to be investigated. Even out of government, PNP is still corrupted. How is that possible? Jack them is the PNP, the MP. PNP owns it. He is the CEO. How is it that even out of government, they are still corrupting and still being able to use the system? And this is the question I'm asking Jackie. How long have they been doing this? And which other entity have been doing this? Because remember now, we have education. We have all these other ministry. Which other ministry, which other company is doing this? But Christopher Tufton name the calling a corruption drunker. So what are you saying? This is what I'm talking about. I'm not trying to deflect from what I'm speaking about. I don't want to block you. But if you type one more word, me I block you. So if you want to be blocked, type again. Drunker, type one more word and see if I block you, because you are trying to deflect from what I am speaking of. I am speaking of the facts that is before me. What I listened to yesterday on Chuck Live. What I actually hear Julian, Robinson, and the rest of the people them asking questions about. What they are probing about is what I'm asking about. But you want to take it to Christopher Tufton, where I'm not going, because he's not over here talking about this. Black yourself. Thank you for that, because you will be black Me do have a mute, me a block you. Me now why you back on my thing. Lift up. Goodbye. Ta-ta. Ta-ta. I'm simple asking, guys, how long this a go on for? How long has this been going on for? And I am simple beating the labor right them. And that me go do on the end. Guys, if you not follow me now, please. Because my phone are dead. Wanna follow me now, please. Me I beat the labor right for this. You see the PNP them? The PNP them stay focused on the cause. You see the PNP them? All when it's misinformation, every single one of these vloggers and bloggers come on this platform day in, months and months and months, and they speak on it. You see the labor right them? All I want to believe, so you're all so smart. Everybody is a top blogger and everybody knows so much. Don't stay focused on what is happening right now. Every one of the people's national parties stay focused on them propaganda. When them open them platform, them all a chat about the same thing, especially if it is what is happening now. When it comes to the Prime Minister decoration, them live for the Prime Minister name for months. And they stay focused. Months. Every time you go on TikTok and Mama Dranko, and this one year, and that the one there, and they stayed on it. And they got attraction. You see the labor right them? The whole lot of thing gonna know everything. Top blogger. Top this. I've been doing this from Wapikill Philip. I know this because I was here before. And I used to do YouTube and I used to do Facebook. And the point I'm getting is, jump from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Don't know if it's stay on point. Run with it and stick with it. Gain traction from it. So it is stayed in the air and in the atmosphere. The whole other thing can know a top blog and I know everything. Me know I don't get paid for doing what I do, you know. But all should come together, unite for a cause. Uniting for a cause and staying on a one thing will gain more traction. Every time I pass through a labor right platform, they might chat about ass, cow, monkey, this, that, up, down, Yui, that. But when you go up on the PNP them platform, when it is something that they want to run with, then still run with it for day, night, and morning. And this is why they have gained more traction with them propaganda than you, the labor right, with your truth and your facts. Because while the labor right, them have the truth and them have the information and them have the facts, it is proven because the government is in power. The labor right, the Labour Party is the party of power right now. While they have it, I know that, and they're not even running with that. They are not even running with that, user. Everybody, you look upon everybody live is something different they're talking about. And that is why I am glad I am simply a Jamaican who support Andrew Holness, because I like his leadership and I like I can see his vision for Jamaica. I am also a Labourite, but I am not a diehard Labourite. I am not a card-carrying Labourite. I am a true Jamaican who believes in good governance and will speak the truth when I see the truth. And the truth is, too much damn smart Labourite out here and feel like them know everything. And they are not united in a cause when it comes to this vlogging. I'm not take it back. And anyone that can come for me, come ready for Uno. And that me say. Chuck you too. Come tell about it too. Guys, if you don't follow me now. Lord God, when them ready for come for me, they can't come for me. Because when there's a pretty labor right open that camera, but they can't come talk about me. I'm a diamond ears. They can't always come for me. I don't care. Guys, if you don't follow me with it, what's up, baby? We are come for your wait. It is not published. Guys, if you don't follow me, please follow me now. Thank you. My phone I dead. That's why I come off. My phone up on red. And when I plug it in, it says the phone too hot. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know why it's getting hot. So I'm going to jump off because I don't want my phone to get too hot. Where are you? In Jamaica? Where are you in Jamaica? January? Were you in Jamaica January? January. Was it January? Yeah, I was. How you know? Yes, it's free. Yes. Okay. All right, baby. Guys, if you're not following me, please give me a follow. I will appreciate it. You know, I want to talk about who would like to talk about relationships? No, I was not a funeral, my love. No. You know, I want to talk about relationship. I want to talk about some of these men out here. But me can't talk about it right now. But I want to talk